Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with iMovie for 4K export settings step by step clearly. Open iMovie on your device. Create a new project or open an existing one. Import the video clips you want to edit. Complete your editing process as desired. Once you're satisfied with your project, click on the File menu at the top left of the screen. Select Share from the drop-down menu. Choose File from the share options that appear. In the Export Settings window, locate the Resolution drop-down. Select 4K to enable 4K export. Adjust the quality settings if necessary. Ensure that the compression is set to better quality for optimal results. Review the other settings such as file format and video encoding. Choose a destination for your exported file. Enter a name for your video in the Export As field. Click the Next button to proceed. iMovie will now begin exporting your project in 4K. This may take some time, depending on the length and complexity of your project. Once the export is complete, navigate to the folder where you saved your file. Open the exported video to ensure it plays correctly in 4K. You have now successfully registered and exported your project in 4K using iMovie. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.